I hope you're in a really bad mood. Or at least pretend to be so you look a little bit more aggressive. Let's take it out, throw, out, in. If you don't like doing these weird knees, follow Allison. She doesn't like doing them either. Speed it up now.
I'm better. I put that teddy bear you gave me in a blender. I drew it on your sledgehammer.
Throw it up and
I hate you so much right now.
throw.
Deal with it. Boy,
Take
you
it
got
out,
to.
push.
I don't want you. Do what you want.
And back.
Just deal with it.
Step
'Cause
out
I'm
and
so
back.
over
Down,
you.
down. Throw. Good.
Deal with it. Boy, you got to. I don't want you. Do what you want, but just deal with it. 'Cause I'm so over you.
Throw.
I
Out.
don't need a man, I need a rabbit. I need a new toy just to cleanse my palate. Big bad, I'm the baddest. We both know it wasn't love, it was just a big
Speed
bad
this up
habit.
now.
Stringing you along like a puppet. I can see the desperation, got you right where I want ya. Beg for a plea, you could get.
Throw.
I hate you so much right now. Deal with it. Boy, you got to. I don't want you. Do what you want, but just deal with it.
Step
'Cause
out
I'm so
and back.
over
Drop,
you.
drop. Hey.
Deal with it. Boy, you got to. I don't want you. Do what you want, but just deal with it. 'Cause I'm so over you.
Take it up. Throw. This foot.
With the champagne glass, with the man on my arm. I don't care what his name is. I've really leveled up now. I got jets on my back, everything I do
Single feet, add
outrageous.
some shoulders.
You text me that you miss me. I say, who the f is this? I deleted your number.
Arms.
Oops. Oh, gee, that's a bummer.
Throw.
I hate you so much right now.
Hey.
Deal with it. Boy, you got to. I don't want you. Do what you want, but just deal with it. 'Cause I'm so over you. Deal with it. Boy, you got to. I don't want you. Do what you want, but just deal with it. 'Cause I'm so over you.
Throw it up. And sprinkle down. Let's let Allison have it. I'll let you have it. Ugh.
You scared me. I thought you had to pick me up.
Well, I thought about it. I didn't really know what to do with you, so I just left you. If you didn't like this dance, deal with it. But what you can deal with is the official music video right here and our playlist that we launched on Spotify. Link below.